Yo guys, today I'm going to be reviewing the Akko Radiant Reds. This packaging looks amazing. One thing that Akko does that truly is amazing is their packaging. It just looks so clean. So you gotta slide the sleeve off and open the box up, and then there is a dust cover over the switches. And you take that dust cover off, and that's how you access. So you need 2 of these packages because there are 45 switches in each package. So you need to order 2 of them to complete a whole keyboard. This is a really good $10 budget switch, and I would definitely get these for beginner level keyboards. So stock, these things sound good, but when they are lubed, these things just sound really amazing. It is like a mix between pop and thock, and it's just an in-between of that. So if you're looking for that, then just go for it. When you open it up, you can tell there is a longer spring than most switches. Like my old Gateron yellows, it had a pretty short switch, but these switches, they have a longer switch compared to it. Another thing Akko does a really good job about is having a tight stem housing, and you do not need to film these because the stem is very tight in the top housing. So looking at the specs of this, the spring is 18 millimeters tall and 3.85 millimeters wide. So if you were looking for a heavier linear switch, definitely go for the Radiant Reds. And I like these because I do have strong fingers, so they suit me well. If you're going for a very light linear switch, go for the Vintage Whites. And if you're going for a very light tactile switch, go for the Ocean Blues. So to look at the specs of these, like I said earlier, 18 millimeter spring, 53 gram actuation force, and 62 gram bottom out force. It is a 3.5 millimeter total travel and 1.9 millimeter pre-travel. The lifespan is about 60 million clicks, so it will last a long time. And one thing I forgot to mention earlier is that this red color I just really love. It really makes them pop, and they just look so good. So if you want switches just to display or something, definitely go for these because these look awesome and very aesthetic. If you want to see how these switches sound on my keyboard, go to my first video, so see you there.